2009 1200 Custom with 10604 on the clock. It's got some kind of custom slip on. I don't know what it is, and it is loud. It's got a light smoke windscreen that was added to it. It's got the engine guard. The controls are up front. It's got they say Sportster on it, so they're Harley-Davidson bags. It's a really nice orange color. It's almost comes up orange with pinstripe, but it's almost the whiskey color that came out in like 14 or 15. I don't remember. It's got custom pegs, custom shifter lever, custom grips. It's a really nice looking bike. So if you're looking for a custom 1200, look no further. It'll definitely stand out with this color. I haven't seen too many of them. So come on in, check it out.